Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. It is only March 30th today, but I did want to start my April collaboration savings challenge, which I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and so I will link those ladies down below. And today we're going to stuff our high priority weekly expense binder. I did want to mention, because I haven't done anything with this money yet, I think I decided what we're going to do. I received my YouTube paycheck, which was $50, $120, $130. And the way YouTube works is it pays you out the previous month. So this money was made from February. Thank you all so much for hanging in there with me with my shenanigans over here. I think it's been pretty cool to see the progress being made with my savings, but also trying to figure out what I'm doing with myself, because it's hard when in real time, you know, my funds are not they're not very high at all. But by putting some money aside, by not overspending, by budgeting my paychecks and things like that, it makes a huge difference for me. So what I did pull from my bank account in order to do this cash stuffing, the rest I left in my account for rent. But I do have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So that's what I have to work with today, and this will go into my weekly expense binder as well as my savings challenges. But what I'm going to do with my YouTube money is I'm going to take my boys somewhere fun. We have a couple of options, but I know we're going to go somewhere fun, and then also we are going out to eat. So that's what we're working on. And oh yeah, and then I'm going to cash out them some money to add to their VR headset for one of the games they play. There's some upgrades. So there's that. So I'm just going to set this money off to the side, but I did want to say thank you so much for all of you that watch or come back all the time or are new. I appreciate you stopping in and spending some time with me. It does truly, truly make a difference in my financial journey. So let's get started. First off, we have fund money, which is, it's basically been a buffer, but this is partly, if I don't spend this money, that's the money you'll see roll over to my savings challenges throughout the week. And by the way, these cash envelopes were from Conversation on Etsy, and they were digital, so I could print the ones that I wanted and then left the others that I didn't necessarily need. So I will try to remember to link her. Gas, 20 bucks. That's been working fairly well because I've not been letting it get below half a tank. And if it does go below, it's not like, you know, I'm not on E ready to push my vehicle to the gas station. I mean, it's happened before. I'm not, you know, immune to life's issues, but I try to make sure that that's not a common occurrence. Household getting $10. And I do have a few things I do need to grab, so I need to get to the store. And pets, my kitty's getting $10. Gotta grab him some things as well. Alright, and my kiddos, you did see the YouTube money, so they're not getting anything there. And by the way, my sinking funds, I did a cash stuffing last week. I can't remember exactly now because I do film ahead. But I want to say it was Saturday. But anyway, I did my cash stuffing, and I got, you know, my pedicure, and I actually didn't make it to bingo, but I did buy a scratch ticket, and I won a couple dollars on the scratch ticket, and I still need to cash that in. I think I'll do that when I get gas. But my kiddos are playing soccer, and so we ended up spending quite a bit of money on cleats and shin guards and gloves. My oldest son, Vincent, is a goalie, and I'm not certain the position my other kiddo plays, Victor, but he's a defensive player too. And you guys, I was really sad about how much was spending on a very short season of soccer. It's a reality check. You know, these kids they're in elementary school, but they wear men's sizes now, even shoes, clothes, whatever. It's weird. So I was very sad that it was so much money, but you won't believe, I went to the first game and I was blown away by how good they are. They're usually, you know, basketball, football, whatever kind of guys, but soccer is, especially my oldest being a goalie, that's where he was shining. And he's always a little bit awkward and kind of, you know, nerdy and cool, you know, but he just excelled so much at soccer. So it made me shut my face and be grateful that I had the funds to buy those things for them to really go out there and shine. Playing soccer, I'm blushing. I'm such a happy mom, such a proud mom. Seeing them and working together, so awesome. They are very competitive, like in practice and then like running scrimmages, because they're usually on opposite teams for scrimmaging. But when they're playing and they're on the same team, it's incredible. So yeah, very proud of those guys. Yeah, I just went off on a tangent, but you know, sometimes it's even in the moment it seems like, man, that was overwhelming spending that much money on something. But that's another reason why I was thinking, okay, I have a YouTube paycheck. It's this month. I can spend it on something else, and I want to. I really want to do something fun with my kiddo. So we're adding $10 to laundry, but we're truly blessed, and I'm proud of my guys, and I'm also glad to see that they're proud of themselves. All right, this savings challenge is the S&C Budget Creations collab for the month of April. Let's go ahead and count up our savings challenge money here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. $25 is what we have here. And I think what we will do is we're going to do roll and save. I was thinking to do each of them $2, but we're starting early and we have a little bit more cash than we normally would for this. So let's do roll and save, $2. Might need something to write with here, ma'am. 3. 1. How about a bigger number, please? Thank you. We need the big numbers now while we've got the cash, right? 6. There we go. 2, 4, 6. 6. Okay. 2, 4, 6. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So I only have $2 left. Should I add $2 or should I do an IOU? Let's see. 1. Oh. Okay. So we have $1 left in 2. Dang it. Okay. I owe $1 more. Should I grab that dollar now or should I do an IOU? You know what? I think I'm going to grab the dollar. Be right back. Okay, I grabbed the other dollar instead of having an IOU. So there's that. We went ahead and grabbed all this cash to put towards our Flourish Savings Challenge. And I have some bigger bills and I want to go ahead and grab, let's see, we have 10, 15, 20. I don't remember exactly how much we had, but this way I can cash stuff this money later. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so we can use 25 and 26. All right, that's perfect because now I have this cash for my mini Mondays, which we should be seeing coming tomorrow. I did make some changes on how I'm doing things. I keep changing it up because first of all, I really can't make up my mind, but secondly, I just want things to work smoothly for me, but also to be able to provide some content. you know, some good content. So that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.